Penske's under Stellantis right now, so I'm working for Chrysler. Penske.
Oh, you build cars at Chrysler?
Yeah, well, originally I was doing all the Wagoneers and Dodge Rams and all that, like the newer cars, but now I'm at the Ford portion of it. So now I'm working on Ford Explorers right now. Just got transferred to a new location, so I'm doing easier stuff now.
Okay. But you will be available like whenever your work hours, whenever you're free from work?
Yeah, normally that's like that'll be like 3 to probably like 7-ish at most. Like
By appointment only?
That'd be nice for people to just call and say, hey, can you do this for me? Say, yeah, I can be available around this time and whatnot.
Okay.
Yeah, my bad on the time frame. No,
I just wanted to make sure that you were all good and stuff.
Here, man, I had to run around and go get the car, get the money going on.
It's a good thing they had them in stock too, because a lot of places don't want them.
It doesn't take you no time to change the brake pads, does it?
As long as you got the right tools.
Yeah, yeah. You'd be like under 20 minutes for both sides, huh? So somewhere right around there, a half hour for the front.
Just ends up running into other issues and whatnot.
Yeah, as long as there's no complications, huh? Yeah. Oh yeah, that was down to the metal. Yeah, as a matter of fact, it's gone. Yeah, see the brake pads go right here? Yeah, they're gone. You're starting to work on your rotor.
So I did it at a good time.
Yeah, it's just in time. Anymore, you would have to get a new rotor. See, when your rotor gets grooves in it, that's from the metal on the brake shoes. Because it has ceramic on the edges. Let me get out of your way. Yeah, when that ceramic leaves, and then the metal, it actually digs grooves into your rotor. So you need to get your brake shoes changed ASAP when they start squeaking and grinding. So I can get a new rotor. That would be like 80 to 150 bucks for a rotor. Yeah, you don't need a new rotor. You got plenty of meat left. See, like some people's rotor, see how thick this is right here? Some people's rotor, they eat it all the way down to about where my fingernail is. And then you got to get a new one when you start eating into it. So, yeah.
Yeah, trust me, bro. That's why I had you follow me, because I'm telling you, in that Trailblazer, bro,
Yeah.
I don't know much about cars, man. I rode it till, bro, one night I couldn't stop no more.
That was the side that was doing all the...
Yeah, I heard it, yeah.
That one just has a little bit, just a touch of grinding on it, but not much. At least from what I can... Yes, oh, that one has a little bit too. That one was grinding too. Yep.
So how good you think I'm good to go with it to need some new rotors?
Oh, as long as you really, I mean, it wouldn't hurt to get new rotors now, but them will work. But like, as long as you keep the brake pads like halfway new, so like whenever, because like they have a built-in thing to where when you hear them screeching or whistling, that's when you go get them changed and they won't never dig into your rotors. But after a while, instead of the little metal piece whistling or chirping, you'll start hearing the grinding, and that's when all the ceramic pad is gone, and that's when the actual metal is digging into your rotor.
I just really need this thing to hold me so I can get a payout, bro.
Yeah, see, this side wasn't too bad. See that one down there? That's not too bad. Let me grab it here.
Oh, that pad. Oh, yeah. You don't get out.
Yep. See this one? It's not too bad. Because see, you have like probably 1/16 of the pad left, and the rest is metal. See these metal things right here?
Yes, sir.
These little metal tabs right here where my thumb is at?
Mm-hmm.
That's what digs into your rotors and make it to where you have to buy new rotors, because that metal leaves grooves in your rotor. And then when you get down to the metal, it just eats them all the way up. I think that's what happens, so yeah. But yeah, but these over here, I don't think they were really squeaking yet. Or they wasn't grinding like that other side. I bet it's down to the metal.
Yeah, the brake pad's gone.
The brake pad is gone? That's how bad it was?
Yeah. I mean, actually, sorry, it's still there. But there was no pad left on it.
It's all the way down to the metal, huh?
Yeah.
Did it fall off? Oh, that's it right
But
there.
it's still there, yeah.
Yeah.
I seen the shield first. I was like, oh, it's not there no more.
Oh, that's the shield, or is that the actual pad?
This is the pad, but
Okay.
they have little shields on them too.
Oh,
So,
yeah.
Yeah, but this one's like nothing.
Yeah, there's
I think
nothing
it's
there.
super hot too.
Yeah.
You have the brakes up on the car?
I'm so glad they do it, bro. I'm telling you, they was ready to race me, bro. So I'm telling you, bro.
Oh, yeah.
He was ready to give me the business. I can already tell when he said it, bro. He was like, but yeah, I'm kind of hearing brakes. And,
They was trying to charge you how much?
bro, I don't know, bro.
Like $200 or $300?
I just know I know they destroyed me with getting the radiator hose fixed.
Oh, yeah.
They destroyed me, bro.
Yeah, that's what it costs about. They said probably $200 or $300 at the shop
To what?
to fix your brakes.
Oh no, I don't know, bro. I don't know. I ain't even asked him a price because I already know.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, you got them brand new boys. And it probably took him 30 minutes, if that.
Yeah, he's the truth, man. I'm telling you, bro, saved my life, bro. I still do a little work in the day.
I'm gonna have to get me one of them. I always use a 2x4.
What you want to what?
One of them to push the caliper back in.
I used to have the caliper or the C-clamps back in the day.
Yeah, C-clamps are, yeah. Yeah, that's about the hardest part of changing brakes is pushing the caliper back in.
And most times you get lucky if they're not stuck.
Yeah. And that's if the brakes aren't so worn that the bolts are fried together, and all kind of bad stuff happens if you let it go too long. Makes it real hard, so it's better to get them changed. It'd be a lot cheaper if you get it when you first start hearing that screeching.
Yeah, I started hearing that. I knew that something was gonna need, but it wasn't grinding.
Yeah.
But then as soon as I started hearing the grinding, I parked it. I wasn't about to, cause let what happened. I'm telling you, cause I was literally riding down what you call it and could not. No, I'm not talking about I couldn't kind of stop or couldn't stop a little bit, bro. I could not stop at all, bro. That was a nightmare, bro. I mean, just imagine, bro. Having to down a busy street and having to at red lights and different stuff like that go around cars, bro. I mean, I could have got anything, bro. I could have got into a police chase and I can't stop. What am I supposed to do? So they trying to get me to stop, pull over, but I can't stop.
Yeah, I could see you telling the judge, "I bet you're under my brakes."
I couldn't stop. Yeah, it popped.
saying?
Everything popped, bro.
Yeah.
The whole brake system popped, bro. There wasn't nothing I could do.
Yeah, you know my truck, bro. The brake line broke and all my fluid leaked out, and I was turning on the DuPont Street. And I couldn't stop. I had to go through the churchyard, all kind of yards, turn sideways, all kind of stuff to stop. So I understand what you're talking about. That's kind of scary.
It was, bro. And it was at nighttime.
Oh, that'd be worse. And then the lady come out and tried to attack me. What you doing in my yard? My brakes went out. I don't care.
Yeah,
She was
bro, I
tripping.
was all over the place, bro.
Yeah.
It was a scary ride home, and then guess what? I had to do it again. Yeah, bro. I learned from that. So as soon as I heard grind, I parked this thing.
Oh, yeah. That one's done. And Chris is quick. Yeah, skinny. I was just saying I had a hard time fitting through there. I said, but he slid right through there. I need to lose his belly. Yep. Oh, you got a big bottle of the goo, huh?
Yeah. A lot of people don't like grease the pens on these.
Yeah, that's
They get stuck and then your brakes wear unevenly.
almost mandatory. You should do that every time you change your pads, huh?
Oh yeah.
Keep them and keep it flowing smoothly, huh?
Yup. You get uneven wear and tear.
That's one thing I wish I would have learned something about cars.
Somebody hit my car, bro. I can't believe that.
Said old Millie Shaw,
Yeah, I'm just not looking over there. My car dented up in the front.
probably bagging out or something.
Yeah.
Whether he parked in front of you or
That's what I'm trying to figure out when it happened.
because you have yours all the time in the driveway, don't you?
Yeah.
So it couldn't have just been no random person. I mean, I'm not trying to blame it on Millie Shaw, but
Yeah, it's all dented up. Somebody hit me.
dang, I know that's you mad about kind of
Well, I mean, this is my work car, so, you know, but even though it's my work car, it looks like it has a cable hanging out.
It do, or the light, yeah, it is. I saw that, bro. I didn't know if it had. Yeah, it is.
Looked like somebody. Yeah, man, somebody hit me.
It's a nice car though, man. How about it's just your work car? That's a nice car, bro.
Oh, yeah, I tore it up, hauling bricks, cement, hauling everything in it, you know. It's drywall on top. If I ain't got the truck available, I tie it to the top.
Gonna pump that paddle real quick.
Oh yeah.
You have to get one of these right here to change your brakes with. Push that caliper back. You probably have to have somebody fabricate it for you.
All the way down.
Yeah, just keep going till you get the stiffness back in it.
Front brakes done in 10 minutes. Both sides, 10 minutes. 10-minute front brake change.
You should be good now. You only have to press it a couple times. Power tools is so nice too. Especially the right ones.
That gets 11 minutes.
That's a lifesaver, bro.
Wood makes nothing worse.
Yeah, I don't like them kind either. Especially when they strip. They're like thin metal. That's him. 12, 12. 12 minutes, 12 seconds. What else do you fix on cars that you have time for?
Just about anything. I do transmissions, engines, tune-ups.
Transmissions, engines, tune-ups?
Yep.
Okay. And do you do that mobile, or do they have to bring it here to your shop?
It's kind of either or. For engine jobs and trans jobs, it would be best to have it brought to me.
Right.
That way I could just, have it in my own personal yard or whatever, or even a shop that I'll be at. And then,
but all the major or all the minor stuff is kind of mobile?
yeah, like brakes and tune-ups and all that stuff's mobile work, and then the engine and trans jobs will mainly be brought to me.
Okay.
I do work out of Pontiac and like Oakland County area in general.
Okay.
I just moved out to Genesee like last year or so.
How do you like it around here?
Pretty cool.
Okay.
The neighbors are pretty nice and everything.
Okay. And how much is it for the front pads?
$65.
And then 65 for the back also?
Yes.
Okay. All right. Well, it's a great job, man. Excellent time. 12 minutes. That's the fastest I've ever seen in my life.